Okay, now I've finished planting all the jade plant pieces, so I'll show you all those. I still have 2 pots left over. I have this one and this one, and I will be using those to propagate little pieces of jade plant that I think will eventually work well for a bonsai project. We have our original pottery dish with a little plant in it. I still have to determine which side is going to be the best. Also, the plant may not lean like this when I eventually turn it into bonsai. Right now I'm just trying to gain some root mass because there were virtually no roots on any of these pieces. So I want to make sure that we have a good strong support system. One of our little salsa dish ones, this is the very large, straight, tall one. This leaf right here has a mark on it. That means we'll have to take that leaf off. This one right here also has some kind of scaling looking pieces on it that will take off. The ones that are below the moss line will take off, and this little bud in here will take off to prevent this tree from branching out too much. Here's another one of our little salsa plant ones. And the third salsa dish. This is the one that branches nicely into 2. We'll probably remove this leaf down here since it's below the moss line. That way we can work on the trunk. For that one I kind of like to see a large trunk branching up into 2 large base branches. So we'll see how that goes. And then we have this one in our dish. I like this one a lot, just because the dish I think looks really good with the plant, just because of how shallow it is in comparison with the other ones. And I think this plant, as it grows up, will work very well. This plant has some very odd twisted leaves. You can see that in here, how these leaves, this pair is kind of twisted. There's another one down here that's kind of twisted. So we'll have to work on that. This has 3 sprouts coming off this. We'll have to figure out something to do with that. But again, right now my main goal is to get a root structure on these plants. Then I can proceed to do other stuff with them. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will be able to update these very soon. Keep you posted about how the jade plants are progressing, and on any interesting facts I find about bonsai, any useful resources that are online, and I'll try to link to some of those in future videos. So thank you very much.